Hello everybody and welcome back to Herbie's Garage. Today I've been out riding my KPX 250 and it was a beautiful day today. It was up to 63 or 64 degrees I believe. And I was going to do a video, but I don't know, I just enjoyed the ride too much. I didn't turn my camera on. Sorry about that. But I thought, you know what, I want to show you guys the progress I've made on my new soon-to-be shop. You can see I'm pretty much done with it. I put 1x6 treated lumber up on the roof, on the ceiling. I did that mainly because I have a flat roof and I'm concerned about maybe possible leaks in the future. So that's why I did that. If you look at this concrete floor, boy, this thing was in terrible shape. I mean, it was all rutted and rough and everything. You couldn't even really sweep the floor because it was so rough. So I had a 7-inch grinder and I bought a concrete grinding disc for it. And man, I tell you what, it did a good job. I mean, it was a lot of dust, walls and everything got a little dust on them. I still got to clean everything, but it's looking pretty good. It's shaping up all right. One thing I have left to do is these doors, and here in the winter time, I'm getting a lot of breeze through these doors, so I bought some panel, that hard foam insulation. I'm going to put it in each one of these spots, and then I'm going to run some insulation up around the edges of it, and that should, and maybe put some rubber across the bottom, maybe something in between the doors, and that should pretty much seal it up. But I tell you, I think I got plenty enough workspace in here for what I want to do. And I also wanted to share with you that I'm on the list for the pre-order for the Life in KPT 400. Man, I can't wait. I think this bike is going to be a game changer. On Venom's page, it says that the Life in KPT 400 is going to have 44.9 horsepower. It's a twin cylinder. It's 6-speed, water cooled. Man, it has all the fancy doodads on it and gadgets and the hard bags, hard boxes, whatever you want to call it. And man, I'm really looking forward to that. In here is going to be the area where I'm going to assemble it and hopefully do my PDI, and then we're going to take it out for a ride. I just can't wait. I'm looking forward to it. Don't know how long it's going to be. I'm estimating probably about a month. But right now it's February the 2nd, I believe. So I'm thinking by March, we should be having them probably. So anyway, I just wanted to bring you guys along and show you the progress I made and where I'm at, and let you know about me getting a KPT 400 in case you wanted to get one and follow along. Or if you're just interested in the bike and you want to see some videos on it, I'll be doing lots and lots of videos on it. So anyway, that's all I have for you today. I really appreciate you coming along, and I'll see you on the next one.